I'm Greg Greenberg from the NYMEX. Gold popped yesterday on a worse than expected ISM number. I'm here with trader Paul Sachs to give his opinion on the direction of gold. Welcome, Paul. And tell me, is the key for gold bulls now just to wait for a bad economic number?
Good morning. Yeah, exactly. It is day-by-day reactions to economic data, both domestic and international. Like you mentioned yesterday, the number was quite bad, the worst in 4 years. That obviously allayed fears that there would be a near-term tapering in terms of the Fed quantitative easing.
We have a big number coming out this Friday. It's the May employment number. How are you playing that?
Exactly. Well, what I'm doing is keeping my powder as dry as possible. It seems, one day we're up 20, the next day we're down 20. It seems to be a very dangerous environment, especially because the volume is so low. So it really can break one way or the other. So it's best to wait and see what the market tells you and then trade very small. I'm definitely not trying to predict an economic data point before it comes out.
Do you trade bigger things around the calendar? For example, if you know Ben Bernanke speaking, do you make bigger positions then?
Yeah, sometimes I do, because what I do is I take into consideration all the information that I can, what the position of the pit is, what volatility is doing, whether there seems to be more demand for puts or for calls, and so on and so forth. So Bernanke is either going to say something that speaks to the efficacy of his programs that he's been implementing. So you have to lean one way or the other and take a small bet and just see how it plays out.
So the market's been a little bit slow lately. They say never short a dull market or never short a slow market. So what are traders doing right now in advance of the jobs number this Friday?
Exactly. They do say that. It does tend to be dangerous. What I'm looking at is who's buying this market. Who's going to buy this market $100 lower compared to who's going to buy it $100 higher. $100 lower, yes, there's been a big recent increase in short interest, so there might be some short covering, but I do feel that in the end will just spur more GLD liquidation. Compared to 100 higher, there may be some people saying maybe it's safe to dip my toe back in the water. The big washout in gold may be over. So again, just trying to keep small positions, keep the powder dry, and react to what the market gives us.
Thanks a lot, Paul.
Thank you.